Course content. This chapter presents the various important documents that students and/or every travel professionals working in a travel and tour must familiarize with to ensure the no delays and/or problems in the travel of a client by providing right advice. Health issues are also discussed. The passport. A passport can be defined as an official document issued by the Department of Foreign Affairs or a competent public authority to nationals or alien residents of the issuing country. Travel agents should ensure that clients understand that individuals during wishing to travel to another country usually require a passport. A client's passport is valid for a whole time spent travel. Clients are made up aware in any other regulations relating to the passport validity. Some countries requires that a passport be valid for up to 6 months beyond an individual's stay in a particular country. A person whose name has been added to the passport issued in another person's name is never permitted to travel using that passport unless accompanied by that person to whom the passport was originally issued. A passport is normally valid for either 5 or 10 years, depending on the country using the document. In the Philippines, a new law has been passed approving the validity of the passports to be 10 from 5 years. Minor will not remain to have a 5 years validity passport. A passport is normally valid for all countries unless exceptions are noted. A passport that has passed its period of validity beyond date of expiration shown on the biodata page containing the bearer's photograph of that has no further room for visas or entry or exit stamps is generally not accepted by immigration authorities and must be replaced by the new one. Check the passport expiry date. Children over age of 16 are normally required to hold a valid passport issued in their own name. A passport remains the property of issuing authority and can be withdrawn at any time. All passports generally contain similar information. These include family name, given name, nationality, date of birth, children, sex, holder's signature, given names, place birth, date of issue, authority, date of expiry, observation, holder's photograph. Most of the above will be self-explanatory except for observations. The passport is issued in replacement of passport number L87656R dated 3 June 2005, reported lost. The passport is issued in replacement of passport number L87656R dated 3 June 2005, reported. Other travel documents may also use to be instead of passport, subject to allowance by the authorities at origin, transit, and destinations. These alternative documents may include national identification cards or ID, travel certificates, military ID cards, seaman discharge book, affidavit of citizenship, government issued by birth certificate, machine readable passport. E-passport. New biometrically enabled passport or e-passport contain a contactless integrated circuit chip on which display data from the passport biographical section and certain physically identifying features such as facial image, iris image, or even fingerprints images are encoded. Type of passport. The type of passport currently issued are outlined in the following section. Normal passport. Most countries issue normal passport to citizens, nationals, which comply with the definition given in the previous section. Alliance passport. This type of passport may be issued to individuals living in a country, even though they are not citizens or nationals of that country. Children's identity card. Issued by some country only, instead of a passport or minor children who have not reached a specified minimum age. The German Kinderlos diplomatic or consular passport, issued to diplomatic, consular, and other government officials on missions, entitling the bearer of to diplomatic or consular status under international law and custom. Other passport. International Red Cross and laissez-passer, safe conduct, travel documents supplied to refugees and or stateless persons. These persons are issued by international organizations such as the United Nations and the International Red Cross, are generally accepted for international travel, subject to certain additional requirements. Officials, special or service passport, issued to government officials or to the other persons on government mission. The types of passport has to be specified by the issuing authority. Other travel documents, other alternative documents of identity as described above may be permitted for international travel some cases. Travel to the United States. Currently visa-free foreigners traveling to United States under the U.S. Visa Waiver Program or VWP must hold a machine-readable passport containing a digitalized photograph 9 instead of traditional photo affixed to the passport bio data page. Western Hemisphere Travel Initiative or WHTI. Since January 2007, as per the United States Western Hemisphere Travel Initiative or WHTI, all passengers are required to present a valid passport when traveling to or from United States to Canada, Mexico adjacent, Caribbean island nations, and other countries in Western Hemisphere. Advised Passenger Information System or APIS in an effort of security in the area of international air travel, many countries have instituted an advanced passenger information system, including the United States, that affect all flight into and in some cases out of country, imposing the requirement. In the US, application or APIS is a government-run automated system capable of performing database queries on air passenger prior to their travel or arrival. Therefore, for all flights to United States, the following information will currently be collected. Number 1, the complete name, the date of birth, citizenship, gender, travel document issuing country, travel document type, travel document number, travel document date of expiration, address where visitor will stay on first night of the intended visit. Liability limitations. Airlines may reserve the right to refuse transportation of passenger if the passenger lacks of proper documentation for country of destination. Visa type, also referred to as entry permit, entry visa, business visa, or travel pass. It provides right to entry to another country subject to satisfying immigration authorities at the point of entry. The travel insurance policy. The benefits of insurance. People travel for many different reasons: for business, leisure, to visit family and friends. It is the agent's duty to explore a client's reason for travel in order to recommend suitable travel product. Travel insurance companies pay high commission to travel agents, so selling a policy earns extra income. The travel insurance policy. Insurance policies can be obtained from travel agencies, clinics, banks, specialist shops, and directly through insurance companies. Clients have a choice of different level of coverage. When travel insurance is purchased, a certificate will be issued showing details of coverage and, importantly, a policy number. It is wise to photocopy this certificate and leave a copy with the family at home. General details of coverage and common exclusions: death and permanent disablement coverage, accidental death or person accident. Inclusions: name coverage does not usually apply to accidents caused by a connected to what insurance companies refer to as hazardous or dangerous sports. Clients may pay a higher premium to cover hazardous sports like horse riding, rafting, trekking, whitewater canoeing, or etc. Medical and other related expenses. Coverage: medical and dental charges, repatriation, and search and rescue. Exclusion. In the section, there will be many exclusions, and the details can be found in the policy document. Luggage or personal effects and travel documents. Coverage: passport, ticket, and travel documents, money, luggage, or delay or loss. Exclusions: some policies do not cover loss of cash. Other policies limit the amount of cash that can be replaced. There are often limits on the amount that may be claimed for personal effects. Some risks covered by travel insurance are trip delay or cancellation, trip interruptions, hospitalizations and claim, loss of baggage and personal documents, unexpected hotel accommodation. Personal liability: coverage against causing injury or damage to people or property. Cancellation, curtailment, missed departure. Coverage protections against the need to delay or cancel travel arrangement due to illness or death of the policy holder, traveling companion or family member, etc. In this section, The possibility of the examination failures can be covered. Travel trade industry. Coverage. Protection against the travel agent or any becoming bankrupt. Legal expenses. General conditions applying to insurance. Conditions vary, but it is useful to be aware of some general principle. Policyholders must take all responsible steps to prevent accidents or loss or damage. Insurance documents and claims procedure. Agents should show the clients the insurance documents once it is issued. It is important to check and identify the following, like names of those covered, policyholder's address, policy number, period of coverage, starts and ends dates covered by the policy, the name and type of coverage purchase. Claim forms and procedure. Always advise your clients to read though the claims procedure before they make it their claim. This procedure explains to policyholders what they need to do if they wish to claim from their insurance company. In an emergency, notify your travel insurance company. Provide as much details about the situation as you can. Or fill out the appropriate travel claim form as soon as you can. Attach all supporting documents relating to case, from proof of payment to medical reports. Submit the claim form and all documents to insurance company, like mail, fax, or online. Your claim will be assessed by and reviewed. If there is no issue, you will be reimbursed accordingly. Some more general points to remember are: claim should normally be made in writing. Full details of the circumstances leading to the event must be supplied. Receipts, bill, official valuation or estimates for repairs must be provided. A police report must support claims for theft or loss. For claims or medical expenses, receipts or accounts will be needed. Proof of having booked itineraries is needed if claiming cancellation. Written confirmation must be given of when and how the delay occurred. Whenever claiming for public transport delays, quote the policy number, bond all correspondence. Health and preventative measures for travelers. The key to successful international travel is making sure that all travel documents are in place. But another element of trouble-free travel is taking precaution while away. Health. Travel health depends on pre-departure preparations, day-to-day health care while traveling, and how one handles any medical problem or emergency. Health preparations. Travel should make to try sure that they are healthy before they start traveling. Immunizations. Vaccinations provide protection against disease the traveler might meet along the way. As general rule, no vaccination are required for transit passenger. All vaccination should be planned for.